In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome zoomed in too far. If your browser suddenly looks huge and you can barely see the page, you probably changed Chrome's zoom by accident. It happens with a stray key press or a quick scroll while holding a modifier key. The good news is that getting back to normal takes just a moment, and I'll walk you through a few simple ways to do it so you can pick the one that feels easiest. First, look at the address bar at the top of Chrome. When you're zoomed in, you'll see a small magnifying glass icon appear on the right side. Click that icon, then click the Reset button. This instantly returns the page to 100%, which is the normal default view. If the page feels comfortable again and the magnifying glass disappears, you're all set. This is a quick, one-click fix when you know you're zoomed in and just want everything back to standard size. Another incredibly fast method is a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and the 0 key at the same time. That's Ctrl plus 0. No matter how far you zoomed in, this snaps the page straight back to 100% in one move. It's perfect when you want a clean reset without hunting for any buttons. If you'd rather fine-tune things, you can adjust the zoom manually with the keyboard. Hold Ctrl and tap the minus key to zoom out step by step, or tap the plus key to zoom back in until the page looks exactly right to you. Each tap adjusts the size in small increments, so you can nudge it to a comfortable reading level. Keep an eye on the percentage readout that appears near the top of the browser as you adjust, so you know where you've landed. You can also use the menu if you prefer clicking. Go to the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. In that menu, look for the zoom row. You'll see your current percentage along with a minus and a plus button. Click the minus button to zoom out, or the plus button to zoom in, and watch the percentage change with each click. This method is great if you're using a mouse or trackpad and want precise control without remembering shortcuts. A quick tip before we wrap up. Chrome remembers zoom levels per site, so if one tab looks off while others don't, just reset or adjust on that page. To recap, click the magnifying glass and hit Reset, press Ctrl plus 0 to jump to 100%, use Ctrl plus minus or plus to fine-tune, or open the menu and change the zoom setting there. That's all you need to get Chrome looking normal again.